You're going to check Valorant FPS drop and lag. So first of all, go to settings and go to graphics quality. In these, check out these settings will be fixed properly. And some settings are even changing. So watch it carefully and fix the same. Then again go to general. In this display mode, full screen and limit FPS on batteries should be off. And do it same to get a high FPS. And next go to graphics settings. In this optimize for Windows games is that you need to enable this one. So it should be on, it should not be in off condition, it should be in on condition. Make it off on. Then after go to Valorant, open file location and click the Riot game and go to live Windows 64 and click compatibility and enable the disable full screen optimization should be enabled. So click OK. After that go to Chrome and click the settings, and in this system settings have a continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Is that click on. And after go to task manager and check it out if unwanted anything is running background. If it's running, you need to turn it off and go to device manager. In this GeForce experience is that, click it and make it should be updated. So update this one. And after go to NVIDIA control panel, click it and you need to click the adjust settings. So make it use the advanced 3D image and go to manage 3 settings. You need to set 5 settings. Low latency should be in on or off based on your criteria, and go to maximum frame rate, it should be in off condition. And after go to power management mode, it should be maximum. And texture, it should be in high performance. And after the score should be in on condition. On condition or auto is okay, but not in off.